Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Jeep Cherokee North. Under the hood we have a 3.2-liter V6 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in billet metallic silver. It looks awesome. You got that chrome accenting up front there with your projector-style lights right there and your fog lights down there. And coming around the side here, we do have our Goodyear brand tires. They look awesome. They do have the 17-inch rims on them as well. Got your mirrors hanging out right there, and they are heated. And coming around the back, we do have the 4x4 badging, the Jeep and the North. Got your backup camera right there, and we can open it up just right here. Lots of room back here. Looks fantastic. It is very soft as well, so nothing but getting scratched up. And underneath here, you do also have some additional storage. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock in our remote start there with our panic, and we can unlock and take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. You got your handle here, and some storage down here, and it does look awesome in here as well. Very spacious, and the seats are very comfortable. Very nice and soft. You do also have the controls over the lights right here, so your off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as your auto and fog lights, and you also have your in-cabin light control there. And up here we got our controls over our turning signals and high beams. Let's start her up here, key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. And right in the center it does tell us how many kilometers we have, 57,000, not too bad at all. You also have the temperature outside, which way we're facing, and the gear we're in. We can switch that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip info, stop start options. You also have your audio, messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. Now that is control from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And back here we do have our control over our windshield wipers. Right up here we do have our touchscreen display. It looks really nice. You do have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, SD, or Bluetooth. Phone options here, compass over here, climate control, and more. And when you are in reverse, you have the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. Got a bit of storage just up here. And down here we do have the hazard lights, and we got the volume up and down with the mute, screen off, our traction control, stop start options, back button, and tuner and browser, AC, circulation, temperature control, power off, and then you also have your front rear defrosts. You have your terrain selector there, and an SD card, USB, and aux cord plug in there. You have your gear shift here and your electronic parking brake, cup holders right here, and you have your armrest, doubles as a storage container, so you do have your top and bottom layers with a USB plug-in. And then over here we do have our locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. Tons of room. And up top you do also have some lights and a sunglass holder. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you have that same silver handle. You got your control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage down here. And it looks fantastic back here as well. Same material as the front, very comfortable and very spacious. Seats, 5 people all together, and you do have that middle guy if you didn't have someone in the middle. And you can also fold these seats forward, just like that. Here's our 3.2-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2016 Jeep Cherokee North. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.